museums and malls and shopping centers. These are a few of my favorite things to film on maps when the rain falls, when it's too hot or cold outside. Oh, didn't see you there. Hello, fellow local guides. In this final tutorial in our series on making videos for Google Maps, we explore two types of indoor places you can visit: museums and malls/shopping centers. There are four main categories of what you can film at both: building exterior, building interior, aerial overview, and movement/sound. I will give a brief breakdown of each category followed by example clips. Building exterior. To film exterior shots, I typically stand outside and film the front of the building in a side-to-side motion. For smaller buildings, you can also walk around to film all sides of it for a more 3D feeling. While filming, I like to ideally include any accessibility features too. This video shows the exterior of the museum along with its accessible ramp. This video shows the exterior of the historic museum and the exhibits located outside. This video shows the store size, flashing light on window, and the accessible ramp. This video shows the plaza is small but does have an accessible parking and ramp. Building interior. One of my favorite ways to film the inside of a building is by standing in the center and filming in a 360 motion around myself. This gives an immersive feeling. Here's a 360 of a Western museum gallery to show the exhibits. See how it makes you feel like you're standing right there? I also use a bit of 360 motion here while filming to show the goods sold at this antique store. It allows me to capture the whole room in one shot. If exhibits or items are arranged only in a linear fashion on one side of the room, then you can just film side to side as this video shows. You can also film in a walking motion for exhibits or items in narrow hallways. It allows the visitors to feel as if they are actually exploring the exhibit. Here's an example video of a mining exhibit. For stores that sell food, you can use videos to showcase the variety of products sold. This video lets visitors quickly get a glance of what drinks and snacks this gas station sells. Likewise, this video lets visitors quickly glance at the meat selection of this deli. Aerial overview. To film this, just stand at a higher level, that is, the second floor or higher. Once you're higher up, you can film anything above you, in front of you, and below you. This is a great way to build an overview of the place. This video is filmed from the third story of a dinosaur museum, showing the pterodactyl flying above and the other dinosaurs below with the Fox waterfall. This video is filmed from the first floor above the basement floor. You can see how it allows visitors an overview of that model historical town in the museum. This video is filmed from the third story of a mall. Not only does it show the mall overview and size, but also shows the accessible elevator option. This video is filmed from the second story of another mall. A visitor can glimpse the stores on the second story as well as below. Movement and sound. This is a category you've seen in other tutorials that only video can capture. This video shows a moving exhibit at an art museum that also softly plays music. This video shows the lit-up entrance sign of a mall and the reflection that dances across water, and you can hear the gentle fountain. This video of another plaza shows the fountains changing colors and their sounds while also showing the exterior overview of the shops there. This concludes our video. Thank you so much, local guides, for watching.